myself, Farah Fatma from class 9, and she is my partner.
I am Tuba Danish. And this is the model of neuron.
And it is the model of brain and spinal cord.
Our brain, spinal cords, and nerves are made up of nervous tissue. And nervous tissue is made up of long branch specialized cells called neuron or nerve cell.
Nerve cells are specialized to receive and send message in the form of nerve impulse. Nerve impulse is the conduction of message in the form of chemical and electrical signals.
A nerve cell is composed of cyton, axon, and dendrites. From cyton, many thin branch dendrites arise. Dendrites receive message.
Cyton is the main part of the cell, having cellular organelles and nucleus granules. Axon is the long fiber with fiber-like nerve endings.
Nerve impulse moves from dendrites towards the axon. Two nerve cells join at a place called synapse.
Like this. Suppose it is a nerve cell. It's a dendrite and it's nerve. So it joins like this. The space in which it's joined is called synapse. Now, in some neuron, axon is covered with myelin sheath and hence called myelinated nerve cells.
Bundle of nerve cells called a nerve.
There are three types of neuron. As you can see, sensory neuron, motor neuron, and interneuron. It is also called mixed neuron. Sensory neuron receives sensory information from the stimuli. Let's example, if I pinch the skin, it will send the message to the brain and send the signal to the brain. And it is motor neuron. Motor neuron communicate the information from brain and allowing the movement for tissue and organs of all over the body. Interneuron and mixed neuron. These neurons make up the majority of our body, and they are essentially called middlemen as they transmit information between sensory and motor neuron. From all our body, the nerves enter from this and this is vertebrae. Human body has 33 vertebrae, but the lack of place we can only do 25. So sorry for this. Let's take example. It's a spinal cord and it's vertebrae. The single one is called vertebra and the group is called vertebrae. It is a column-like structure like this, and the spinal cord goes through like this. There are also two types of neuron: cranial neuron and spinal neuron. Some neurons are exactly covered. Some neurons are directly connected with the brain, like our tongue, eyes, ears. Except skin, our whole sense organs are connected with brain directly. So it is called cranial neuron. And from like tissue and organs, all the nerves come in a bundle and goes through a spinal cord and then receives the message. So that's what our model. Thank you.